This week, we're going to focus on the short O, short U, and short E sounds. Our learning target says, I can identify the sounds and spellings for short O, U, and E, and use to decode CVC words. Let's take a look at our picture sound cards. Here we see short E. Short E says eh, like in elephant. This can be spelled with just the letter E or EA, like in the word head. The next picture sound card shows O, like in octopus. Short O says ah, ah. Finally, we have the sound card for short U. Like we hear in the word umbrella. We're going to use these sounds to decode CVC words.